Hello friends, I am Mr. Patel, educator Gajira International School, and today we are going to learn this chapter in active and passive voice. Because very first time you people are going to learn this, and in this chapter there are certain things that you need to have the knowledge of. Let's see what are that. Definitions first thing. So definitions for active and passive voice should be well clear. Second thing, the knowledge of personal pronouns, all three persons, first person, second person, third person, you should know. Third thing, verbs, all verbs, verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 4, like write, wrote. So all types of verb you should know. Fourth thing, body of a statement. You should be easily able to understand the separate parts in the statements like subject, object, verb. Fifth, past participles. Because in passive voice, in all the tenses, you will have to use verb 3, past participles. So you should learn that. Sixth thing, that is object. There are two types of objects. Number one, object, and number two, indirect object. Generally, objects are placed after verbs in a statement. If I direct object, you will have to ask, you will get direct object. Now, indirect object, if you want to identify, you will have to ask with whom. So these are two objects that you need to learn, identify. Let's see first example, and we will try to make definition from that example. Raju eats an apple, a simple statement I have kept here, that is an active voice. Raju eats an apple. Dear students, identify the tense for that statement. The statement is in simple present tense, correct? Good. Now, whole statement is three parts. You can see for Raju, that is subject part in a statement. Eats is the verb, and an apple, that is object who is written. So SVO, subject, verb, object. But when we convert the same statement into passive voice, you will see object in the active voice sentence, an apple, is placed very first at the place of subject in passive voice. Its verb changed in passive voice verb formula, so it's turned to is written being agreed to the subject. And the subject of active voice, Raju, took place at the place of object in passive voice statement. So you can see here, and we can make definition that active voice is such a statement wherein subject is the direction. The statement is Raju eats an apple is in active voice because Raju is the door of the action. Raju is doing the action of eating an apple. In passive voice, we can make definition that subject of the passive voice is the receiver of the action. Raju eats an Now see this all tenses, all 9 tenses. Generally passive voice is possible on only 9 tenses. I have here all 9 tenses, three continuous tenses and 3 perfect tenses, and 10th number, that is for models. Okay, a number of models are there that you know. So all the tenses that are taught to you in chapter number 11, 12 and 13 are tenses. So you have the knowledge of all the tenses and you know verb formulas as well. But while changing this all the tenses into passive voice, you will have to change your verb. That you need to learn these verb formulas that are written in this image. For simple present tense, your verb formula is am is are plus verb 3. If your statement is in simple past, your verb will become was were plus verb 3, or will plus be plus verb 3. Present continuous tense, am is are plus being plus verb 3. Past continuous tense, was or were plus being plus verb 3. Future continuous tense, passive voice is not done. Passive voice is not done. इसका passive voice नहीं होता है. Present perfect tense, have or has plus been plus verb 3. Past perfect tense, had plus been plus verb 3. And future perfect tense, shall or will plus have plus been plus verb 3. And for models, models plus be plus verb 3. So dear students, these are the verb formulas for respective learn. So it will be easy to you how to change your verb, correct? Now let's see our exercise of 3 statements. My brother has written a book. Kindly change it. Yes, a book has been written by my brother, because a book is the direct object. Ask with what? What has my brother written? So you will get the subject has written, present perfect tense. See the verb formula for present perfect tense, have has plus been plus verb 3. So I have taken has to make it a book. So a book has by is the preposition, and the subject of active voice my brother will be placed at the place of object in passive voice. So a book has been written by my brother. Good. I play cricket every Sunday. Ask with what? What do you play every Sunday? So you will get answer cricket. And it is simple present tense. The verb formula for simple present tense is am is are plus verb 3. Now change it. Cricket is played by me every Sunday. I is the subject, it's a pronoun, so it will be turned into objective case. To me. Lata is singing a song in the party. So a song is being Lata in the party. Otherwise, you can say that a song is being sung in the party by Lata. The statement is in present continuous tense and verb formula is used from the passive voice. So it is good. Now all 3 statements you understood nicely. One more example let me give. I have given him a book. I have given a book. So in this statement, 2 objects, direct and indirect object. What do give him? So you will give answer a book. Wait, let me check. Let's take one example with indirect object. I have written him a letter. Listen it clearly. I have written him a letter. So what have you written him? You will get the answer a letter. Whom have you written a letter? Whom have you written a letter? You will get the answer him. So him is your indirect object and a letter is your direct object. So this is also double passive voice construction. If a statement you will have two object, so you will have the same active voice sentence into, so we can change it like uh, a book has been written to him by me, and he has written a book by me. When you take one object, second object will be at the same place. Okay, so thank you friends. I hope you understood this topic. Actually, uh, 2-3 times we have already discussed this. Thank you students. Keep used by any teacher.